that good? Is that a good finger? Bite? You want another bite? Here, bite. Is it that bad? Is it that bad? Is that good, Boomer? You gonna feed yourself? No, 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 no! Uh-oh. God bless you. Oh, honey. Okay, okay. No more. No more. I'm sorry. Is it that bad? All right. You want to go back to, we'll go back to the regular, plain old, plain carrots?